Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we're going to be slicking our hair. We're going to do a slick back with a middle part. So I'll start off with separating the hair into 3 parts. And for today's look we're going to use the Eco styling gel. So once we have our hair separated, I'm going to start off with the back section. I'm going to spray some water. Then after spraying the water, I'm going to go in with the brush. After the brush, I'll go in with a detangling comb. Once I'm done combing through the hair, I'm going to go in with the Eco styling gel throughout the section. Once I'm done with putting the gel, I'm going to go in with the brush just to smoothen out the hair. Then for the front section, I'm going to repeat the same process, but I'm going to do it in smaller sections because it's easier to stick down the hair when it's in smaller sections compared to when it's just one whole bunch of hair. Alright guys, so I'm going to leave you guys to watch the video. I hope you enjoy it. And before I leave, if you haven't yet subscribed, please subscribe to your girl's channel. Yeah, I'll be back later on in the video when I'm done with the process. guys, I am back and we're almost there. This is me just trying to lay down the edges. You guys, I don't have enough of baby hairs, so I'm just trying to force things, and I was failing to slick it down with the gel, so I went in with this red one, hair wax. So after doing the edges, I went in with this satin hair scarf. Yeah, I'm tying down the hair and I'll keep it on for about 30 minutes. Okay guys, so we are back and it's time to see the final review, of the look. Look at that, you guys. This is so beautiful. The hair managed to sleek. The gel did a good job, and take it into consideration that I didn't use any heat. It was just like the natural hair. I sprayed some water, brushed it, and put the gel. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.